Here are 10 vocabulary words from the story The Lost Key that can help with English fluency. 1. Panic, a sudden feeling of fear or anxiety. 2. Empty, to remove the contents of something. 3. Retrace, to go back over or follow the same path. 4. Vendor, a person who sells goods or services. 5. Relief, a feeling of comfort or ease after a difficult situation. 6. Careless, not paying attention to detail. Careless behavior. 7. Promise, a commitment or assurance to do something. 8. Double check, to verify something again to make sure it's correct. 9. Neighbor, a person living near or next to you. 10. Fluency, the ability to speak or write smoothly and easily. These words are great for expanding your vocabulary and will help with understanding and discussing various situations in English.